Asem Yi Di Ka.
Inna Beka.
Akwasi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano said it.
Me no obi abɛworo natare na ɔde ahyɛmye na wahwɛ ni mu sɛ mɛyɛ ama na ayɛ fɛ. Richmond Pacha Mompe Asantemeura otumfo say to ababio. The picture to stand by mam say well in the next 1 minute I need to get that picture. Otumfo say to the second. Asantemeura Mr. Mwada Mompe the picture no fan send him says mam say and I send yes Asantememu. Okay, to reach more check na efa so efama me. Asem Yi Di Ka Brenda edu semidi de akwasi insiafa na sekese command German Ozone Medical Center. Tedi no German Ozone Medical Center. Omo de ade a ye frɛ no renowned therapeutic hyehyeye enodi eye adwuma omo atenaye. It's yeka ozone therapy. Yes, one de gas and casanti. Te utru on de mami kasanche. Mami kasanche. Especially on dental services ne die. Let me say ni pebia Alice ka ayire so a went mi kura. Abosum be se ensie bi oso na dentist. Ehwe onum ni impurities bi o wonum bia. O se no wadidi amadwana ba hyehye mebresa. Ye de afide yi ni nyina e de free mu. Wonim sa also take me okode etimi ehoro so kama edema ne mass me papa for any extra German Ozone Medical Center. German Ozone Medical Center. German Ozone Medical Center. Shoshomo from us here I was 0550 242 222 0550 242 222 and 0550 252 222 0550 252 222 German Ozone Medical Center, where innovation in healthcare and implant dentistry is empowered by ozone and defined by excellence. Wow. Pacho, what do you come and say? No nam abe for quantum point faso essay yadie and south so yadie. Free ni pedjas we pim form. Sing in any wajuma and far and mouth. Email mo hello@gomc.com.gh. hello@gomc.com.gh. Ucha tu mane responde e de amante pa chama me opem so asantema nyina wura otumfo say tu ababi o picture no I was supposed to say happy birthday no ho ene da kese de ma o man Ghana nyina ene eye da kese e de ma o man Ghana nyina da we nya asantema so nkwa na so eye da kese de ma o man Ghana nyina Otiko koso Asantemeura otumfo o say to the second and then I would and then na I would Mommy happy birthday back of ma nana Eti happy birthday enko enfama Asantemeura otumfo o say to the second na na ebo this year 71 kwa wie so ye bom din ni abuyemu akwa entuma aguansa benkom so ye na wuchacha akasa akra nyame nhiraw nyamonko so nto nkwanam onyo kese Omo suye hunu ntiase odo ya de magana nyinada enye kese na nye kese Ko se be ye kese pa. Asantuma da wase. Ghana da wase. Eno kandie honhom papa. Wo de esom eba fode e de maye. Emu ye dia wo na efrew. Ena no IMF ye bo mu ane emfiye. Wo na bo pruma ye bie yen. Akwa nyame nhyiraw. Nyame won nhyiraw. Na won nhyiraw pa. So once again, happy birthday and confirm Asantemeura. Otumfo Osei Tutu the second. Another happy birthday and confirm the Minister for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. Yes, man. Whoa. Hey, oh, yami. Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, MP for Banda constituency. Happy birthday, Enko FMAO, the Honorable Minister for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. We wish you all the best. Nyami onchraw na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pam. Eti anopan komo aye de nu ame no hyase about tema Harbour Road. Weba mami sa Harbour Road video no. Sene kwano atutu apansam na aisai ede efa. Na nu akwara asemba akwa metifri tema Harbour. Ya medwedwedwedwe se. Harbour mpeni force ya kase ya yusu Wade Bridge na wonum na congestion ebeba Harbour honum. And not that I'm a young, you say, Pesa cast no contentem. And you say, I shall be taking advantage of that. And I'm overloading. Overloading. And what? You have no inside, but Mammy Habo, you and your Habo, dear no. Mammy Habo, a video no. Habo, Quana, no. Yenim said, I shall be taking advantage. And nobody nam ya quine swa. Almost say ya kwai. Say because you pese congestion, ebeba eye temahabo honumti. Now what me pacho and now no COVID by ne COVID ni e bae. Say free as cars no and the ma eba enfem na enspray hono. Me say credit nka eye your friend say COVID e kwa nesa. Because the former president declared say we are no more under COVID. Sa bia na afidie na cars ni yini ma efem no sefre this one na so eyede. Ya enti ade ahyenkafo anya say ya kwan ye bu ye ne aguso all the name say se yekoso eye di na se yekoso ye say ye ma ahyenkafo afa we bridge so me say obia ne ma wafa eye pepepe no ya se ye nye because ka se be ya congestion beba temahabo enu nti ye nyusi. And the drivers, funny mama the bro so, elephant yakwasu, say aquino. It can happen. That be Ghana Port and Harbors Authority in Penford needs to set up. Sa explanation is sebi and tosumu. Sheniane, I shake a phobia no motomo etuntino. Shene quay aye. And not share Emphonia Bella. A 23 sakwa is a braye. Na cast no, I only said them no, a packy. Shoulder of the road. They said the quiet can go when you show that crowd, however. Sakwa when you show that crowd. Couldn't you have to Mafra? Ka abon your mamma every year. You say a course attack one course, a master course, a volcano, and course, and very full. Now, Babette that short and so. Now, what you back? Let us switch in a wonder. A better not quiet me now, one thing. Another honorable minister for roads and highways. Onka Asem about an open comedy man from mom. Minister Besaba. I'm telling you, Minister Besaba. They will come there again. They will come there again. Now there's a minister bar. Mumma sa excuse no. See, I can see my drivers no. I use Wade Bridge now. Congestion remember on to know. Yeah, you Wade Bridge not to maybe. Adia mo be contract. Yeah, the man seek about 10 million Ghana cedis. Aya di way. See, yeah, catch a congestion. Remember what to know. You to me so I na spending close to 10 million Ghana cedis. I think it's a minister no as of 7 a.m. No office. And I no pay as of 7 a.m. Honorable Kwame Agbojaga Vance, no office as of 7 a.m. Oma me kwa picture ko twa Sunday me kire wo. As of 7 a.m. na minister office. Ya kwani say too much. Ya kwani no say too much. Di anko. Famia mase ne simi etie kwabra ne se debi no afa echa jobi sika wo baabi no asesa ne magusu because onim so oduru habo wonum na so lodi apia onko fa wage bridge so emie se ne mo afa na ebro so ntino obefa ne atwam no obefa sa ekwa ya so na ekwa ne gusu etutu and ekwa man say pese ye no a concrete. Do you know how much it's going to cost us as a nation? Ye be say wie as a German crofalo ye overloading as a befa sa kwan we so na sa sai hwe Shedema we anam ka we kwan we so. Na se sa niema we egina nkwan chen na nansa na otwe ba kwa be ne kwan we emu fangu. Na niema we. Ye be. Egina shoulder off for 1 week e be ne kwan no anya week. Well fa me call of anko enfutu kwan so. Of anko futu kwan no. You best say contractor and so yes sir of anko kwan. Yes sir. And that man says must I extend date no. Me ba be di ko rich mo be friend other mom says here. My say Charlie. Contractor wo ye kwa infoot trade doors so. Infoot trade doors so. The same thing with your friend say oyibi honum de no. Infoot to say chom. Eti me emfa nsuo kakra engu kwan so. Mame kwa maso na me chairman of Parliamentary Select Committee on Roads and Transport. Honorable J Ekodi Eko. Honorable Choma Chia pai eba Adom TV so.
Yeah, me da se pass me akwanje. Me to mo gacho Adom fo mo bo adwuma.
Yeah, that's it. Na enano ya nyantie se Parliament Committee on Roads and Transport. Moko aprobo ewo ofanko insawam kwan so.
Amen.
Die na esia ekwan no up to now. Yentimi nwie.
Yo yamisha. Am say mamitia ye tiefo no a mo hwan wo YouTube ni ade so nyina na pay. Ichecha mu nyina. Yan Parliamentary Select Committee on Roads and Transportation no. Ijuma no say ya oversight nje say ye hwe no ma yekoso. Na road no minister no etua na mo akosa kwan ni ade nyina so no uchi no na mu no toroje baby bia kwan ye kana sem yo kwahwe intinu yen so ye den se kwa kwahwe sa kwan na kwan no major road a o de ko Kumasi ne north nyina no obi abefa wo intinu no se kwa ara die ko ye ne mpani fo chi director na oka minister ho mo ko ba bia ne ko na ne chief executive officer mitre ga we authority that is na em ko ayo kwa kwan no no kwase me na kwan no why be pa the bibiro wa bridges na taking is na dia ebidum na ka baby so a am so on ne foot for kana sami akwa ta no sugu so a oye je ko no na je say education no ye adman so apa enti yakwa er one of the major problems that yet any sa competition no problems have been be a bit more speculative in activity just almost say we never do no more to see on dan near there as woman dan no yani about Canada no so for e bi me the company the cockot until say cockot so na ju ntumi ya juma no e me na aka ama juma no a ko ni ntse de ekono until no to say the minister and buyer oya nhihye ne so kaka so ekwa no yakoba bia yakofua minister no di a wodi ne kokko round no yehu se yakọ parliament so ya bibia to bia mu bibia te enu nti ena so frema na pay a yakọ no.
Okay, now yeah tete say contractor ne so be say here another 15 months as na timi awie kwa no kresa
ade bisa ye se nyama nyina akoyi ababa ne sen no se ampa se nyama nyina akoyi dia between 10 and 15 months, no, or we are quite in the cry.
Okay.
Now, one major challenge the woman say, so 15 months, no, not to say, yet to me, another 10 months, no, yet to me, compensation near there, or say, another comfort, get so court, no, if you hold a them. And this uncle for found your message is your contact is you are, yen to me and Bumbu. That is also mere relocation. So what I was in the name, you see, you know, on body, and yet major issue, the major issue on one more, on the company, no, upper court. Are they be at Shako at Shaba? It is a Yama in Aquadia, not between 10 and 50 minutes, 50 months, but maybe we are 27 or share a year entertaining you on Yanwa. Not just a few to me, we are. Na be di kumpa.
Asem honorable. Na contractor nti bia na aka na mfuturo ekum amanfo no. O ntimi mfa nsuo kakra embrabra futuro ase ma amanfo.
Yeti say adana minister no call no kasa. Ya almost what kasa omuguso omuye. In fact omuguso omutwaso. No mo de ni omagugu so ma chese nkofo aha won aha kakra. Okay. Nti ni bindo nkofo bi di omukọ court. Ma omu tumi ye adwuma te so omu ye no omu tumi ja ne saa omu twetwa so na omu di so na ade so kukuso a ayi ato ayi
ona so wo TV hu a obetumi ahwade wo TV ni so ame yenim say Afrexim Bank somewhere 2022 Emma Ghana buying about $750 million asika yamfa enye yakwai now ofanko in Sawam Road ya budgeted $200 million mobile what wonsem sesika no akoti say
ya mi sure sa we dem say ministry no e na sa information na no omotu ndama mo since say omo no mudi anim na da me say minister no mo ko omo ne nti that odi etie ko no mo akọ order the details are there committee no gise me koba and say metumi details me dey ama ho but the minimum say kwan ya kwan a ye fa kwan papa so ye ba parliament ye ni mani hina ma contract gina so a oye adwuma po bien so oye adwuma. Now, the important say, a local contractor. I put here, Joke to say, the local contractor, you know, say, a Sagana and crying, then Miam to them.
The answer about this out here, sir, $750 million loan, a year under the 8th Parliament, and now you pass a as Obia when ni edi o man Ghana akwayachi, a free blamo pass a moje sabo siamboy at 2 me. What me bisa hon semda?
But I say kwanu sa asam ma ho a na umpusa wo sabe umpusa wo hwene na yenim say kwa bibia di hu dase say kwan ya hyase na kwa gidigidi pa until say yen information say problem bi aba and say me try ta compensation relocation problem na di na ba almost say hwe na say wie dia anche bia mutuma wie okay ni dey pa
but
ni dey pa because kwan ki niko wo kokuma se ni ade major yi no ene ho enti no say yame ya dum na se ne nyina yi abaro free kwam na se kwan demu a ababo yi nyina ma nyoma ayi enti no am say major one na wo se ni fitru kwan no bebi oso me am so ajatum say even though problems wo no ombugu so twa so na ombudu so so apete so e ma yi ato yi minister no kwae no o ma o se okete say yo mbetu anye dia o ma hema dwadi akoyi no me ono so baboa sa papa yeso di anutum. So as a minister ni twa na mo sa yeso parliament so ye dia no kwa ekotum na aban na hu say apa contractor no ye adwuma di yeso betra bia compensation ni sa relocation ni sa court nsem na idi mu no ni ahwe na ye meyi atwa yi
okay patona be bada asipia no pay
amisa me das
honorable Isaac J Mensa mrahye wiani ma de hye wo wasa abato mpesu aso no kwa na sa ye dwemtreni edma mrahye bedwafko ya ehwe akwantimpo yi na fa kwantu eho substantive say no ADF bono eti so the update aba ne ne state ya ne pese confirm eno say ofanko nsawam kwan no contractor say bibia wie pe na bibia atoto na kwamu a he's looking between another 10 to 15 months and start with me ewie yeah na o man no kwabra sante atnase na mpacho mame da se bro se bonsu flare no o ma boko de
CBBI come and also
yeah the nyamiase.
So what you're worried about is about the roads or is about the pedestrian or is about drivers or more car is about in foot road? Which one is
any of them be a contributed to delay be a road construction be a how mfuturo ekum amanfo ekwan no delay. There are a lot of questions around sa ekwan no. The kind of consultations they come komodi ekum asa na yesterday. One need can compensation. One na asa be chef for as another compensation. Ekomo bebre.
Bebre any day way. Until we still at where we are because we have to get out of everyday talk. Less work to show, and that's the challenge. We know the challenges already. There, all shitty as a matter of fact, onim how no, and we cannot pretend to know more than the minister and ranking members and the chief directors. They know the challenge. So if there is anything we are to be talking about, when are we going to walk the talk? Because everybody in Ghana actually arguing. Say equine in the first place a day. The Sikana Yanyana Esad Yaquano, saying is if I equino. Equino and Casan on the lifespan, and now equine 6 months, no 1 year. Now Diego. Contractor for us a year to Mukano, Quamben if you're at Yomuka. Because the sad aspect of it is that contractor bit me Juma, it is worth about 7 million.
Yeah. But
the interest on a year, the principal non could be about 34, 35, or even more millions.
Yeah.
So it is. And no cry should be about the construction industry now, about road ministry, no more how to be. Normally, the challenges are na ministry no one. Obi at the principal Asem, it's almost about 7 million. Now, interest on a year Sikana Yajina or the Ejumano. Jana enu moma be brisika botia or the share Ejumano no. Nti bo na bi na say akoye ejuma ni pe bi ni mu ye bo apayom krami ntuameka or you don't get it because say obi the 7 million share ejumam na enkrata amasensan chese failure to pay no insihu be ba ho bosumi bia na etimi enhwan sika no sika botie na ye 7 million ehwo nsi akiri ntimi kwa kosi be 30 million. You're asking yourself what is it, you know? So enye ade bia ahomte wo man mu nti aban beba aban beko every day make sure and they the code of conduct aba still net ne be chi nipa bebre and they aban de hihye in fact ba shibudwa fortness ya sa mra kure man kwan se ye kwaye na sefo nya ebe dwiri ni nyina egu sa mra nya but still ye na ye hye mra na no will be found in that same soup. So honestly we need a certain level of purging and cleansing and washing. Maybe that will help us because and no the mame kosoje the NDC's resetting agenda. We need to be resetting. We need to be resetting. That's the very truth because about resetting, because on every facet of our life, from journalists to media practitioners to broadcasters to traders to unions and to government entities, the public and civil service, every facet of Ghana here resetting. Service providers resetting.
Yeah.
So it is a resetting, complete resetting. A hankwa no you provide service no a bluff over you. A hankwa no no provide service amam. Wako jom anopa no erobi boutique akwesi mampon boutique. Wako na okoto ade na no no okoto ade am na sika atre ne shim no. Odo nsa ka atade ba ko mi no asha se keka nsem na empe bususem bia obato ato be yi dem de film so na anopa tututu do se de keka mensa de za mini ba bia ofri ba. Wako jom oto ade a wako mape no se tomatoes no dada no we die ye no kasa guso ade na oto se na oto we odo se keka mini man. So bibia nye papa wo system ni. Wako adwuma ma wo no ese se okodu adwuma no ndu no wakodu du baako asa pagya mu no mienu no ye dede say yensan to akechem aban ne mo no modern. So it's because of you see every decision we take I'm saying that every decision we take in this country are tainted with power. You know, we think of power, we don't think of the normal national decision and discussion that will transform our educational sector. As we speak now, and then among for the so-called hospital or maybe as we speak now, nipa that so that bench so and cry, the drip so the major issues here of concern to us now say any on my ebe 10 million. Edia ye efidia say shen twema ye bit maka say we dey abro so because ekwan na ye no e shen na ho ode no so ye part of it. It is a yen ignore the reason being which is falsehood. The reason being that say a machine na ye adwuma revenue na ye pen machine ekwa na eko na ye Germany ko na eko ni pe bi botom no so no ekwan no so no esan se anya hoden na mana se ha na ese we are just developing in circles. It's so painful. We are developing in circles. And unim, wa ocean unim, wa utien unim. Me amete han me aware. So ye dada yan we kutia galam say. Ye be say ma disua etimi konkan. Ye be say increase ya pomuden. Ye be say hwe ne akwa so bibia ejojo. Eti bisa ho se de bia me cast ma mo si tutua mo so. No kura pa ne say aban ba aban ko. Ade na akra Kumasi road abaye boso. Ade na akra Kumasi road. Ede kwa road nkokwa baby a B Foster Nessa attack for one. The shoulders of the road has been taken over by foreign trucks. Yeah. Foreign trucks. And no recipe for accident and destruction of our roads. But who is there to complain to? One part now complain. Now, minister about 7 by it's not about the time the minister gets to the office. No, those optics all we are fed up with it. The minister in all humility can get to the office at 5 p.m. But it must be reflected in the output of what he does. Oh no, man! I think so, the reflection be no, I don't say. Yeah, I don't have a challenge with that. I respect him for even that. Obi okra akosi obako adwuma e bia 10 a.m. But obi free obi abe ahimachi be 1 because of them. Obrankasa, he took time to go to my region. In fact, in 2 days, Oko North Bono is Ahafu. Eko Hwes acquire who na for himself. They have the energy. Yet domasi for that patriotic spirit no more edge, especially roads, agric, education, and other ministries no more edge. Health. So I say, we respect them with whatever they are doing. But I'm saying that at the end thereof, what the Ghanaian needs to see any the normal visitation, because a visitation in Kwada goes Minister Ben Pan or no about say or better I'm quite trying to so everywhere. But at the end of the day, in Yuma Mwakwata ye no, Emudu do saying Anna Dasu Ewa Wadi Mapa. I said super twice, Emudu do saying because we do a lot of rush political programs. It's in Yuma papa near for the cameras, political reasons. We are thinking of power. Permanent we sat in this country matters of even acquiring CC maintenance of our roads. It got to a time there was no money for maintenance and it kept deteriorating. There was no money for maintenance of our road. In fact, road for now Kuma said in 300 Ghana season demand, never 500 Ghana see them. And it's a fund. Yeah. Tiakwasi se kase ye nim ya how dia nyamenim no kreni wa ho brasem no na ebo dia ma no ya ne se ebri bia da yegusu ka asempoti nsuo betoto. Yeah. And I have told the Works and Housing Minister to come and tell us drains are hold on no asifo nyina asenso pension road minister pension asenso na mekai. They used almost about 560 million for draining the is it the Odon? Yeah. So what has come out of that? If you use such an amount of money to do that drainage system. Now, fame, that's still improvement. I deteriorated more, and then you be used to another 700 million Ghana cedi. Do we have that money? So, this can say prima for. Unis council did Kempeski. Top taste to her. Papa or watch the hair or also chinchinia, Okoro car crana, was make up with your Lancaster, make up with your Kempeski, make up with you. And then how the pressure 2 hours when there's no money. When there's no money. There was in Ukraine what BR7 and so, but media of major concern to me. Okay. And they said we've arrived at a point where every Ghanaian should buy into the resetting agenda. Sure. We should not deviate from the resetting agenda. Yeah. Reset means that and you may be a atosia akochiwa ankoyi. As I say, shwhwhwe na sabisi su yi. Na fi etimi akọ yi e aman. So now that's who two. Sebe Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. Or ye bidie. It probably should deal boni die. Now one kasa that's who two the former goodie. Wow hall. Wow, fie all na utu a former goodie. Area of Obiasu Muye, Obiasu. Why? How is this possible? How is this possible? Also, Uba Montini interviewer. One chokro, also na utu a former goodie. What will nipa was and what one? Yeah. And no make catch you. Make catch you, say, Akwasi, fire service for ya kasa bebrebe nyine akwasi wo ba bia wasase wo no ya ma bia fire service for nsuo ba bia omba bebu no ho ne ye de ma wo so no wasi so because ya ba wo so assembly na ma krata se obeti wasi dan wa ye kokuma sikire cha na so ba bia se mi eni kwase mi si mi shop no ma ko si so it care me ba pe na ma sha se na ban we de otan ana yen ayi krom ya yen yanka ana ya da ne nkoa ana hefa ne yenko kro bia impuntuo wum no systems work the laws work I had a timid tune when you were MPP ni into what they all for do NDC ni do the ora obitimi bold ekase na buying the Washington no is above the law so let's all face it because yeah young should say because in facing it the class society those who can afford traveling outside the country for health for education for pleasure for all those things they will go those who cannot afford it they be that no you better yeah, he did this.
And the sad part is, my yena yet me afford no. Yena baby now you support the upper class na bit me afford the outside the country travel to turn our country into chaos.
So honestly, it's just not.
That's a bread. Na me your mind ko no nye. One. See, o my man boss also say no. Asantima council tenase. Said the kabo amane no. Asantima council etnas no penso asantima nyina wura ye ene birthday perfo agia tum se yakopon ya medadwo na edi anim ye yenye da sebre osebo su ye otosmenu ne na otwede die na dadwanan achi ye fada iyo enhye so there's 3 weeks from eda de ye na otwede die no ye mfa eye na iyo enso ento aso another adadwanan achi yenyi ni obedi da sibro sebo su yotosmenu ade o se opem so asantemawura ewo odwira edananim ontimi nko odwira entwem asantemo apa bra asantemo po ye ewisi ahina konya no obia enteso tisem no kase na nahima na naja komedi fie yotosmenu ene ebusuanka ye wokwanya se betimi ye obi obedi da sibro sebo su ade no egusu yotutiem yo mutoto ne na otwe edadie penfo wie behwe na iyo na afi yakwakohwe nipa obedi da sebre ade tiami admaduada asantimampom ye to sele da fro bibia obi ameka ho na yemfa da sebre osebosu ye otosmenu na otwede die no enhye so achimu asantimampom ade hye wo
koma wo boyesu ama multimedia timegina brand I mean address it
to adwirahene yes
said the why you need the okoso yina
yes enti ekodru adwirahene na adwirahene animu a obema asantimampom na nahima ejakoma de fie ye otosmenu so ensa aka
ze wo huna me e wa mamre kwanso me na nka me nkotro sa kratara na
oh me se na apeso otwe kratara obetimi atwe kratara ye nsem
etimi me na
ensem twenye mako bia apeso ba na abekava tumedi we bia fa kratara bra ma ho e wa fie fa besi na nan mo na so ye mpese be kwa ko wi akire ni e beka se we we was back awo ya pese baba dure ye beka se ensentrefo ntimi enkwa no beka se enma upeso nye tumi krata na de bayi na sa fa krata ne bra amani ampon ahemfie obeba na no matrase wona oso nsaka ne sa beka ni asore so ni agya tum sa mpa wo ba beye si ya nya ne sa obie bi in quotation marks obie bi betimi aba betwa bibia keke eyo hene ponkese eye ne eye ye mo obi a metwa bia keke fa nkoto bi mo obi anko kansem bia nsa fata emfa ho eti be so ne so no krom no ye be so ne so ni akire wonne se fata se obetumi abetwa na otwede die no na se obi anko twa bi anko ankochia no ye pasantimampom kanko asantimampom puntuo ade edimu kese ye pa ma ya asantimampom asomdwie ene ehia ade style be bie no acha asomdwie ya yehwe na de kitikiti wati wakamba ba bie no ebe soso epese bia be ya asomdwie mu na be bia ye bokọ na etimi asi asantimampom hene no akoso asom sekedwa oba
all right
am ya monko